winning for the Amore Glam Girl Spa giveaway. So this bridal shower is put together by Amore Glam Girl Spa, and what you are going to be getting is a free pedicure and manicure session. That's what you're going to be getting from Amore Glam Girl Spa. Then you also get a free massage. So all the works, your massage is your back, your feet, your body massage, your whole body massage. So this is what you're going to be getting. Then we're also looking at hosting you and your friends to canopies, drinks, nice music. You get to watch a TV, you get to take pictures and create lovely memories with your friends. So what we're planning to do is, whoever can tell us a mini video why it has to be you, and get your friends to like it, the person with the highest number of likes gets to win. So do not forget to put the hashtag Amore Glam Girl Spa so that we can find your entry. You can post the video on your page and then tag us at Amore Glam Girl Spa, or just use the hashtag Amore Glam Girl Spa so we can track your video. May the best man win what you're winning, so you can actually see for yourself. So I am at Amore Glam Girl Spa, and then these are the offers we're offering you. So you're going to get your nails done, pedicure here, and then there's a lounge area here, just right here. Then you also come in for your massage right here in a very cozy environment. So this is what it looks like, very clean, very cool. Okay, so also all this. Then we'll now go to the manicure section after you have done your pedicure. So this is where you have your manicure. You can watch TV while you're getting your this done, and then you can take pictures, your lounge areas. Then you can actually get your nails dried here at the Amore nail section, your feet and your nails. And then while you're waiting, you can also rest and get the makeup done, body massage, all those things. So that is what you're getting for free.